Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super aesthetic smooth transitions edit in InShot. This is part 1 where we will set up the main cuts, transitions and overlays. Then in part 2 we will take it even further for more advanced look. So let's get started. First just open your InShot and then just import your main clips. Then add your background music. Now just split your clips into 8 clips like this, and then just adjust the durations like this. The first clip is 0.8 seconds, and then the second clip is 0.6 seconds, and then for the clips 3 to 8, all 0.7 seconds each. Next, let's add the swing animations. For the first clips, just go to just use combo animations, and then for the first clips choose swing left, this one, just tap on it. And next for the second clip, go to animations again and then choose combo again, and then choose swing right, this one, like this. And then just keep alternating this pattern for the rest of the clips like this. Next, just add keyframes at the start and end of each clip. Like this. And then for swing left clips, just zoom in at the last keyframe. And from swing right clips, zoom in at the first keyframe. Like this. And then let's add some overlays. Start with a white overlay at the very beginning of the first clip. Like this, just go to PIP. And then just set the durations to 0.4 seconds. And then just go to blend, this one. And then just select overlay, this one, like this. And then go to animations. And then just animate it with fade out for the full durations, like this. Next, just copy this overlay onto every clip. Next, just add a black overlay at the end of the first clip. And then just make it 0.2 seconds long, like this. And then just animate it with a full fade in, like this. And then just copy this overlay again into every clip. Finally, just add a blur effect at the beginning of every clip, and then just adjust the intensity however you like. Like this. Now let's try to play the video. like this. And that's it for the part 1. And then if you wanted to take this edit to the next level, just check out part 2 where we will add some advanced touches for an even more aesthetic result. See you in part 2.